How are you friends? Today is unboxing some again t-shirt, the full length t-shirt. I purchased from Flipkart. Before start the video, please like and video and subscribe my channel please. If you need more video like this unboxing, check in the top playlist, I button and too many videos like this unboxing. Online product I purchased this one. Cell phones, some product, t-shirt, cloth, everything there. Let's start. Very packing, very small, very small. Will we open this one? Sometimes cloth is scratch, very big problem. Sorry friends, it's a half t-shirt. Full length t-shirt different because I give two orders. So t-shirt. Give grey color, but this one come black. Oh, sorry friends. This one length t-shirt, not full length t-shirt. I had too many confused because too many order. That's why confused. Look at that t-shirt. You know how much the price? 119 rupees. The free size. Okay guys, like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. If you need more video like this, check in the top playlist, I button, I have too many videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, please share this video.